Alright, last time we had discussed about gravity and I had given you a lot of examples and also I have explained a lot of terms about gravity. And today, up to this episode, we have discussed mainly two topics. The first was gravitation, and later on we discussed gravity. So today we are going to discuss what actually are the differences between gravitation and gravity. That's why be clear one thing: if there are two similar types of bodies, like two small balls, like two heavenly bodies, the moon and the earth, in that case the force of attraction is called gravitation. But in the case of gravity, one body must be heavenly body and another body should be small body. So this is the major difference between gravity and gravitation. So you can see in the screen that the first difference is gravitation is the force of attraction between any two bodies due to their masses. But in the case of gravity, gravity is the force with which a body is pulled towards the center of the earth or planet. And second difference is gravitation depends on the mass of two bodies and distance between them from their centers. So this one is explained by its formula. And number two, in the case of gravity, it depends on the mass and radius of the earth or heavenly body. This is also defined by the formula, and that formula was, in the case of gravity, F equals to capital G, capital M, small m upon r square, and in the case of gravitation, the formula was F equals to capital G, small m1, small m2 upon d square. Alright, after the discussion of gravity, now we have to use the formula that is related with the gravity, and the formula is F equals to capital G, capital M, small m upon r square. Now we have one numerical problem, and the question is calculate the force of gravity of the earth that acts on 1 kg object. The mass and the radius of the earth are 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg and 6,380 km respectively. Like I have discussed last time, being a numerical problem, we always have to start with solution. Later on we have to write a given, and in this question there are two types of bodies. One body is small body and another body is small body. Therefore mass of the body small m equals to 1 kg, mass of the earth capital M equals to 6 into 10 to the power 24 kg, radius of the earth capital R equals to 6380 kilometer. It is not a SI unit, so we have to convert kilometer into meter. It is equals to 6380 multiply 1000 meter. Now it is converted into meter, and we are going to calculate gravity. Symbol capital F equals to what? After this, we must write according to the formula. We know that, and the formula is capital F equals to capital G, capital M, small m upon r square, and these values are given earlier. So in this formula we are going to plot these values. So the value of capital G is 6.67 into 10 to the power minus 11. The value of capital M is 6 into 10 to the power 24 multiply, and the value of small m is 1 whole upon the value of capital R is 6.38 into 10 to the power 6 whole square. After calculations, finally we will be able to get 9.8 Newton. Therefore, the gravity of the earth that acts on an object of 1 kg is 9.8 Newton. Now let's discuss about reasonable questions. Although the mass of Jupiter is 319 times more than that of the Earth, but the gravity is just 2.5 times greater than that of the Earth. Why? In this question, we have to use the concept of the formula gravity F equals to capital G, capital M, small m upon r square. So from this formula, we get to know that the gravity depends on two things. Number one, mass of the heavenly body. Number two, radius of the heavenly body. So in the case of Jupiter, its mass is 319 times more than that of the Earth. So because of that, the gravity increases. But the radius of Jupiter is also 111 times greater than that of the Earth. And when the radius is more, then gravity decreases. So because of this reason, the gravity of Jupiter is only 2.5 times greater than that of the Earth. And the next question we have is, a person can jump greater in the moon than the Earth. Why? In this question, the one of the very important concept that we have to know is all the planets, they have gravity, and this gravity is the pulling power. So in the case of moon, its gravity is 6 times less than that of the Earth. So by this relation, we get to know that the pulling power of the moon is less. So if the pulling power of the moon is less, then obviously a person can jump high, and it is just opposite to that of the Earth. And in the case of the Earth, its gravity is more, pulling power is more, so a person can jump less in the case of the Earth, and the same concept is applied to other heavenly bodies also. For example, if you can jump 1 meter on the Earth's surface, then you can jump 6 meter on the moon's surface, because the gravity of the moon is 6 times less than that of the Earth. Check it out, this figure. What have you seen? You have seen an falling apple. This apple is falling towards the surface of the Earth because the Earth has gravity, and that gravity means pulling power of the Earth. Alright, from this figure, I am going to give you a very clear concept about acceleration due to gravity, and its symbol is small g. Previously we have discussed the meaning of capital G, that capital G is a universal gravitational constant, whereas acceleration due to gravity is small g. Okay, let me explain this figure. I am on the Earth's surface and I have taken an apple in my hand. When I let it fall, it moves towards the Earth. So you can see in the figure, in 1 second it covers distance 9.8 meter. That's why by the formula of velocity equals to distance upon time taken or displacement upon time taken, we get the velocity in first case is 9.8 meter per second, and again in another 1 second it covers displacement 19.6 meter. So its velocity becomes 19.6 meter per second. And here in this example, when you subtract 19.6 and 9.8, you get the difference 9.8 meter per second. So in every fall, The difference is 9.8 meter per second. That's why we say the acceleration due to gravity of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. And its definition becomes like this. Why this apple falls down? It is because of the gravity. So we can define acceleration due to gravity is the acceleration produced in an object due to the gravity is called acceleration due to gravity. Remember, the value of small z of the moon and the Jupiter is 1.67 meter per second square and 25 meter per second square respectively. One of the most important question in examination point of view is the acceleration due to gravity of the earth is 9.8 meter per second square. What does it mean? It means the velocity of a freely falling object increases by 9.8 meter per second in every 1 second.